Today we're showing you a 2022 Kubota L4701 four-wheel drive tractor. Comes with a Kubota LA765 quick attach front loader. Tractor has just over 200 hours on it. It's a very sharp tractor. It's practically a new machine. It does come with the balance of the factory Kubota warranty as well. The loader is plumbed for Grapple, so it does have the third function plumbing right here on the loader. Also has a skid steer style quick attach here for your bucket connection. Tires are in great shape, as you can see. Paint is excellent. You do have a little bit of a scuff here, top of the loader on both sides. Overall, very nice tractor, but a couple small blemishes like that. And again, does have the canopy top, complete 3-point with drawbar and top link, stabilizer bars on both arms, has a toolbox back here, foldable rollover bar. Still has the ridges on the tires here. This is a gear transmission. Has the forward reverse lever right here to the left of the seat. Have your high-low range lever behind you here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 up in the center. So total of 8 speeds with the forward reverse shuttle, which is shifted again right here on this lever. Looks like that Kubota warranty runs into 2028. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.